This function is to adjust the color. Turn on the menu first. To select the palette, different colors can be chosen. Click on the right arrow to see more colors. Long press a color and drag it back and forth to adjust the order. Here are some colors that come with the camera, and we can also customize the color. Click on the plus symbol on the right to enter the interface for adding new palette. Then click on the small plus symbol on the left to add the color, up to 5 colors. Long press the arrow and drag it to adjust the temperature range. Select an arrow, then click on the palette on the right to adjust its color. Then select it again to adjust the color. Select it. Then we click on the finished on the right to automatically save the custom color. When we open the palette, we can notice that the first color is the custom one we just saved. There's a little pen mark in the bottom right corner. If long pressing this color, we can edit it or delete it.